Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to remove Wix website banner or Wix banner. So if you go to Wix site, you can see that this site was designed with the Wix.com website builder. Create your website today, start now. You can see that Wix ad is here because I'm using currently free plan. In free plan, this Wix banner will be shown, but in the premium plan this banner will not shown. Okay, so if you want to delete or remove this banner, you have to use the premium plan, not the free plans. Free plans cannot allow you to remove this banner, but premium plan can do. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.